Hello and welcome again to This Month in Science. My name is Nicholas.
And I'm Kristin. In this month's episode, we'll look at more stories relating to current scientific news, both globally and here at UAB, covering a variety of topics.
Our first story comes from Northwestern University in Illinois, where a team of researchers has uncovered hidden mechanical properties in graphene oxide. Graphene oxide has long been thought to have little use because it does not conduct electricity well and is not as strong as its relative graphene. However, this material was recently found to have plastic-like properties. Due to a surprising mechanical process between carbon-carbon sigma bonds in the atomic structure, it can bend before breaking, much like a plastic cup. Horacio Espinoza, one of the researchers on the team, says that with a little more information, more pieces of the puzzle will come together on this surprising molecule.
Very intriguing. Now let's take a look at a study going on right here at UAB. Dr. Stephen Bethard, a machine learning expert and linguist in the UAB Department of Computer and Information Sciences, is convinced that the way computers understand us as humans needs to be improved. In one project, Bethard builds models that help computers to extract timelines from clinical work. For example, if a computer sees that the patient has a history of asthma, it will recognize that this is in the past. If it sees the words "planning an MRI scan" on a report, the computer will recognize this as in the future. A system like this would streamline medical record keeping. One of Bethard's graduate students has built a machine learning model that's already having a huge impact on the practice of healthcare at UAB.
Moving on to the world of business. Intrexon Corporation, a leader in synthetic biology, has recently announced an agreement to acquire Oxitec Limited, a pioneer in biological insect control solutions. Oxitec is known for its safe, innovative, and self-limiting approach to control mosquitoes that spread disease and to limit pest-related crop damage. The company has lately developed a new solution to controlling insect populations through the production of sterile, self-limiting insects whose offspring do not survive. Unlike conventional approaches to insect control using insecticides that can affect the greater ecosystem, Oxitec programs are directed only at a single species. Intrexon plans to integrate its synthetic biology platform to improve Oxitec's existing initiatives. Talk about a good investment.
And good riddance to the mosquitoes. Transitioning to the world of psychology and neuroscience, a doctoral student at Baylor University in Waco, Texas, is studying the science of yawning. Published online in the journal Personality and Individual Differences, Brian Rendell and a team of researchers profess that people with psychopathic characteristics are less likely to be affected by contagious yawning than those that are empathetic. The study, Contagious Yawning and Psychopathy, involved 135 college students who took a written test and watched several short clips of people with various facial expressions. The results told researchers that there is some neurological connection between psychopathy and contagious yawning.
Well, now it's time for the episode to take a dark turn. Into the realm of dark matter. Physicists at the University of Southern Denmark have suggested a new way to detect this strange and misunderstood substance. Non-luminous and not directly observable, a number of scientists, including Ian Shoemaker, believe that dark matter particles annihilate into so-called dark radiation when they collide. If that's true, then the signals from this radiation should be detectable. Another way that physicists look for dark matter is by placing detectors in underground caves, where disturbing noise is minimized. The hope is that one of these detectors will one day catch a dark matter particle passing through Earth. Perhaps one day we'll be able to completely understand this strange substance.
Well, I think I'll leave figuring that out to the physicist. In our last story, we move back here to Earth. UAB research has developed a small peptide that shows significant ability to lower blood cholesterol in animal models, and an Arizona drug company has already set to patent it.
The new peptide, AEM2814, is 5 times better at lowering cholesterol than its parent peptide, AEM28, as well as having a much higher drug tolerance. Dr. G. M. Anantharamaya, a professor at the UAB School of Medicine's Division of Gerontology, Geriatric and Palliative Care, was responsible for the discovery.
Sounds like research at UAB is staying busy as usual.
Yes, it is. Well, I think that's all we have for this month. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'm Nicholas.
And I'm Kristin. See you next month.